Hey, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to unbox this new smartphone from Infinix, and this one is Zero 8. Now before I go any further, let me tell you that you can actually pre-order this phone from Daraz starting from 11th of October for 39,999 rupees, and deliveries will start from 14th of October. And with every pre-order you will get this Infinix iRocker Bluetooth headphone as a gift. So before I unbox this phone, let's unbox these iRocker Bluetooth headphones and see what they're all about. So we have these Infinix iRocker Bluetooth in-ear headphones, and there are some specifications at the back. So wireless portability, and then we have Bluetooth 5 here, and we have 6mm drivers. We have music time of 4 hours and standby time of 100 hours. It charges in 1 hour, which is great, and then you can use them at a distance of 10 meters. So very decent specifications. Let's unbox these headphones and see what they're all about. So there we go, and these are the headphones. Let's put them aside for a while and see inside the box. So we have our charging cable with micro USB and some ear tips. And let's take a look at the headphones. So they come in this really shiny small little box here, which is the charging box. So let's open them up, and there we go. These are the iRocker headphones, and these are actually pressable buttons. You can press them. So really nice touch from Infinix to include them as a gift if you pre-order this phone from Daraz.pk. And I will actually have to use them and then see what they sound like, but you are getting them as a free gift with every Infinix Zero 8 pre-orders, so it is a great deal anyway. So this is Zero 8 from Infinix, and we don't have any specifications. Let's open this up, and we have some specifications at the back here, so let's go through them. So we have 128 gigs of internal storage and 8 gigs of RAM here. We have 4500 mAh battery capacity. Then we have Android 10, so that's good enough. Then we've got front cameras, 48 megapixel, and then 8 megapixel camera, which is an ultra wide camera actually. And then we've got rear cameras, which is 68 megapixel camera, 8 megapixel camera, and then 2 megapixel camera, and then another 2 megapixel camera. So we've got quad cameras at the back. We have also got Helio G90T processor, and it supports 4G, and the dimensions are these. And we also have 6.78 inches full HD 90 Hz smooth display. Resolution is 2460 by 1080, and then we have all these sensors here. So we have 90 Hz display, which is good. And then all of these specifications again. We have got liquid cooling technology, so that will help keep the phone cool while playing games and doing any graphic intensive tasks on the phone. So that's also a great feature. So let's quickly unbox this phone. So there we go, that's the phone. Let's take it out, put it aside. Let's see what's inside the box. We've got some paperwork here, SIM ejector tool, warranty, and some stickers. Let's put this aside. Then we have the silicone case for the phone, which is a great addition to be included in the box. That's great. We have our charging cable. This is USB-C, and then we have our power brick. So this is a fast charging brick. So if we look here, this is a 33 watt supercharge power brick, so hopefully it will quickly charge this phone. Now let's take a look at the phone itself. It feels very well built. It has got a weight to it and feels very sturdy in the hand as well. So if you're just holding this phone, you feel like you are holding a premium device, so that's good enough. Again, we've got specifications here. Let's remove the sticker, and then let's remove this one as well. We've got our quad cameras at the back, so there we go. Let's power this on. Dual cameras at the front. So the fingerprint scanner is here on the power button, I guess. This is the fingerprint scanner. And then we have got volume buttons on the top. We have SIM tray here. Down below we have got our audio jack. And then we've got charging port and speaker. XOS. So this one is running on Android 10, which is great. Let's start. And I'll go through this process, and when I'm done with it, I'll come back. So just quickly wanted to show you that you can actually install 2 SIM cards and an SD card all separately. So it's not like you can install 2 SIM cards or a SIM card and an SD card. You can install all 3 at the same time, and I really like this setting. It should always be like this. In the security settings during the startup, it asks you what kind of lock you want to put on the screen here. So I will select fingerprint here, and then you can also add a backup. So I will add the backup here as well. Then you can use this fingerprint on the side to enroll your fingerprint. So let's do that. Just make sure that you get all the angles that you will probably use on this fingerprint scanner and power button. So there you go. So I'm not gonna enroll my face in here, so I will just complete the setup. And then we have some instructions here that it's telling us about, and we're all done. Now we are inside Infinix 8. So let's go in settings here, and let's go in my phone, and here again you can see all the specifications of this phone. You can see the Android version here it's running on, and everything else as well. So that's Infinix Zero 8. Now this looks like a very nice phone and feels also like a very nice and high-end phone, and I'm kind of really liking the software on first impressions because it is smooth and really fast as well. But again, when you use the phone, you download more apps, you install more things on the phone, it gets slow, and that's when it's actually tested. So I'm looking forward to testing this phone as well. Let me know if you have any questions about this phone. Let me know in the comments, and I'll try to answer them in my review video. And I'll see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye bye.